Hi, I'm Paul with the Outdoor GreatRoom Company based in Burnsville, Minnesota. We manufacture unique, upscale products with design appeal for outdoor living spaces. Our products include gas fire pit tables, gas fire burners, pergolas, outdoor kitchens, outdoor gas fireplaces, patio furniture, and accessories. Many of our products are made in the USA, and all of our gas products are UL listed for safety. So what is an outdoor great room? The Outdoor GreatRoom came from the idea that homeowners should enjoy their outdoor space as much as their indoor living space. This has been the foundation of our company and our inspiration to provide innovative products for an exceptional value. We manufacture a variety of products so that you can create a beautiful outdoor room. Frame your room with a pergola, create the focal point with a fire pit table, and surround it with furniture. Other items include outdoor fireplaces, custom fire tables and features, and outdoor kitchens. The American Home Furnishings Alliance states that nearly 4 out of 10 households plan to purchase a fire pit. The people in these households want to use their space to entertain, spend quality time, or just simply relax. We manufacture products that help to bring the comforts of home outside. Outdoor GreatRoom Company is focused on bringing the best and safest products to the market. We continue to introduce new and innovative products year after year. Let the Outdoor GreatRoom Company help to define your outdoor experience. We set the trends outside while providing innovative technology, safe yet stylish products, and reliable and friendly service. From concept to design to delivery, we will ensure your style doesn't stop at the back door. Distinctive products for a distinctive lifestyle. Bring home outside.